Welcome to Anyu's Kitchen. Today we are showing you how to make Hungarian style cooked potatoes. For the cooked potato, you will obviously need some potatoes. Today we are using coriander, but you can use parsley. We will need some salt and some water. You will also need a large dish. I peel the potatoes. Peel them until all the shells are off them. Well done. Wash them and slice them. And cut them into cubes. We diced all the potatoes. We put some salt on them and some hot water to make sure the process is faster. You can put cold water on them, but that means it will take longer. I turned the hob on. Cook it on higher heat first. Once the potatoes are boiling, we put them on lower heat and stir them. Stir them every 5 minutes. You don't need to use all the coriander, so I'll cut a little bit off. I used pretty much this amount and wash it and press all the water out of it. Make sure that it's as dry as it can be. Start chopping it. We don't just use the leaves, we use the stem as well. After 20 minutes of cooking, I'll take a piece out and check if it's soft enough and well cooked. It seems to be very soft now, so the potato is ready. So after 20 minutes of cooking, we close the hob down. Now use a colander to filter it, because we won't need the water. This time we're using the liquid for a soup later on, so we kept it in another bowl. All the vitamins are in this liquid. So here are the cooked potatoes, and we put the coriander or parsley in them and mix it with it. And mix them in. Optionally, you can put some oil in it so that it won't be so dry. Mix it with the oil. The wonderful cooked potatoes are now ready. Enjoy!